y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. I'm out here in Plomosa Road. This is the road that goes between Highway 95 and Bouse. And I'm out here. I'm going to look for some flowers before they all disappear. Kind of cloudy day, storm front moving through. Right over there, down, probably about 11 miles or so, right there is Bouse, the town of Bouse. This little camera is not probably picking it up. And this is Plomosa Road. There is BLM camping everywhere. Like a 12-mile stretch here. You can just camp for free, 14-day. All over the place you can camp. I mean, it's beautiful here. Probably one of my favorite places. We're at the base of Quinn Pass too. I got that GoPro roof mounted. That's my magnetic mount setup. Here, I'll show you what we're going to be looking for. Probably a couple of them. Look at the purple. Isn't that pretty? Man, you can't beat that. There's even yellow in the bushes. Everything's flowering right now. Such a wet winter. It's all over. I'm going to look Friday too. I'm going to take a little road trip on Friday. Okay. Oh yeah. On a cloudy day, I just switched the battery. I'm charging straight off the engine. With my switch there, it goes straight off the engine. And we are charging. So I don't even have to worry about solar on a cloudy day. Which the solar is picking up a little bit. But full batteries charged all the time. And then when the sun's out, I just turn it off. You can see a little light flashing there, so the solar is working a little bit. Just thought I'd throw that in there. I am so happy with this setup. I really had fun yesterday out using that solar cooker. That was just too cool. Loved it. Alright, let's head on down the road. We'll go find a few flowers. We'll go up top Quinn Pass. I'll fly the drone up there too. We're not that far from Quartzsite either. We're facing towards Bouse right now. This would be east. Sorry. I always get twisted. Look how green the desert is. I mean, everything is just green. Looks like you could bring a lawnmower out here. But not for long. It'll turn brown as soon as it heats up. The dirt will dry out quickly and it will definitely turn brown by the summer. But this is just a beautiful time of year. Especially this pass here. I don't know, the hillsides, it must hold good moisture. It just is always pretty here. I'll drive a little slow. You can see the flowers on both sides of the road right along there. You'll see the yellows and the purples. Even the cactuses look pretty happy. Right there on a bunch of yellow on the left there. I'll pull over up here. We'll stop and get some close-up shots of them. Bunch of four-wheeler trails out here too. You see them all the time. They haul them out in trailers and park, and they go exploring. It's everywhere out here. Okay, let me get pulled off here, get parked, go check it out. Oh yeah, look at the yellow. Aren't those gorgeous? Completely wild. They only bloom once a year. Look at the purple. You know, there's other places that have the orange, and there's different colors, white and orange too. But look how green the bushes are. Looks like grass in the desert against the yellow. Really stands out against a rock too, doesn't it? Pretty pretty. Look at the cluster of cactus here with the mountains in the background. You can make a postcard out of that picture, huh? Green, cloudy. Okay, well, get back in the van. We'll head up. We'll go up top of the pass. I'll fly the drone. It's pretty up there. A lot of history too about old Quinn Pass. This is a huge gold mining area too, in the heyday back in the 1880s. Not too many people out here. Everything's really slowing up. I'm still amazed why people leave so early. I mean, maybe they have to, I don't know. But they are definitely missing the best weather. The best of the best the desert has is end of February through March, right up 1st of April. The weather is just picture perfect. You get this kind of greenery. Look at this cluster right here on the right. All the purple and yellow there. Just beautiful. In this pass here, it's pretty well traveled. It's extremely well maintained. If you keep going, you end up over on Arizona 95. Takes you into quartzite. Okay, a little sign there on the right said historic marker. We'll stop to check it out. This is what they call Quinn Pass with a Q, Q-U-I-N-N, Quinn Pass. You can bring a little lunch up here, a little picnic, chairs. You don't need four-wheeler. I've parked up here before, flown the drone around and stuff. But we're at the top of the mountain here, the little mountain range. Okay, let me switch cameras. I'll walk down and get a shot of the sign real quick. Then I'll be back. Hikers like it up here too. They hike all over these little mountains. That Bouse fishermen and taglias that are down at the base of the hill, going towards the west. Okay, here's a historic marker. I'll tell you about Quinn Pass. 1869, Thomas Quinn. He used to have water here. Probably stagecoaches and all that ran through here. Then he lived in Bouse. That's how long all this stuff goes back for. There's a ton of history here. If you're in the area, stop, check it out. We're only about 20 minutes out of quartzite. I'll walk over here to the wash before I get the drone out. See the cactuses up on the hills. Oh, look, a few little white colored flowers here. Not sure of the elevation. It's up here a little bit. Those are cool looking. A little purple and the yellow. Nice. Alrighty, well, I'm going to fly the drone. I'll put that in the end of this video here. Anyway, I was up in Parker on my way back. I thought I'd take the long way around. Coming out Plomosa Road. Stop, check it out. Show you guys what the desert flowers look like over here on Plomosa. Oh, look at them. That was a little different looking too. Huh. Okay, this is Russ signing off. Now, stay tuned for the aerial. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.